Hello.
Hi
Hi.
there. Hi,
Hi.
ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm great. uh, what's your name?
My name is Malik Wakas.
Malik? Malik?
Wakas, Waqas.
Okay, perfect. Malik Bakas. Okay, and what can I help you with today?
It's my first conversation with you,
Hmm.
and I think I would like to know the Cambly system and how does it work, and
Hmm.
do for you to understand.
Hmm. Okay, yeah, I can help you. Okay. So, yes, I see you only have 16 minutes on Cambly, so you are new. Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So, um, well, there's a lot we can do. So the first thing, I will just open uh, a lesson here just to show you. So we
Okay.
can, on Cambly, we have the option to open some of these lessons. Usually it will be a little bit of
Okay.
grammar, some vocabulary, and lots of questions and discussion. Hmm. Uh,
Okay. Okay.
depends on your level. We can make it harder or easier. Yeah,
Okay.
and
Okay. I got it.
mhm. And there's another. I have the option where I can share my screen.
Okay.
I will just
Cool.
I will just share it now just to show you. I have something open. So this is
Phrasal verb.
yes, exactly.
These are very tough for me.
They're good for you.
Yeah, they are very tough. I always feel very hard to understand
Mhm.
phrasal verbs.
Okay, well, I can send you this if you want to have it. You can have a
Okay.
read, yeah. So,
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank
yeah,
you. You have sent me.
yeah. So that I had that open for my next student. So, but that's
Okay.
another option. So we can do some work on a different website, or we can read some articles together. Is another option. So it
Okay.
is anything anything you want. Basically, we can do on Cambly. So,
Oh,
yeah.
sounds great.
Mhm.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
I think it is a comprehensive organization.
Hmm.
It is vast.
Yeah, exactly. So there's an idiom I want to teach you. So have you heard the skies? The sky's the limit.
Sky's the limit.
Hmm.
Means no. It's for new for me
Uh-huh.
actually.
So it just means that you can do anything. You can do anything you can imagine. So yeah, it's like yeah,
Ah, yeah.
so we can do anything you want.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Very good.
Yeah. So or the other option is we just have a conversation.
Oh, yeah. It's interesting.
Hmm. So maybe today is, you're very new. So we'll just have a conversation today if you're happy.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, perfect. So tell me a little about you. Are you a student? Are you working? What do you do?
I am graduate. I have finished my graduation in English literature in Pakistan. So apart from this, I had been teaching in a school as a English teacher.
Mm-hmm.
It was actually middle school, and after that, nowadays I'm looking for going abroad.
Mm-hmm.
So it's my little introduction,
Mm-hmm.
and I belong to Pakistan actually.
Pardon?
Pakistan.
You're Pakistani. Yeah, yeah. So just one little
Okay.
correction. So nowadays I'm looking to move abroad or to move overseas. Yeah. Either one's okay. Overseas and abroad. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
where are you thinking, or where are you looking at? Where are you thinking of moving to?
Well, there is my elder brother who has been working in Saudi
Hmm.
Arabia for last 5 years. So he is calling me in Saudi Arabia. So I would like to go there because you know that we need some support, some shelter.
Hmm.
So I think my elder brother would help me for getting good job
Yeah.
in Saudi
Yeah.
Arabia.
So, okay, maybe a phrasal verb for you. So he he can help me get set up. You know that one?
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah, set up.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
An apartment, somewhere to stay, a job. The important things. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, perfect.
So, ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself? Because I don't know much more about
Yeah,
yourself.
of course.
So, if you,
I think I don't
yeah,
even know if I said my name. I'm sorry. So yeah, so
yeah,
my name is Shauna, and I am from Ireland. Um,
house, good.
but I now live in Spain. I have been a teacher, I have been a teacher for 2.5 years, and I was
Okay.
teaching in Vietnam for almost 2 years. Yeah, and now I'm here.
Oh,
And before that, I was training to be an accountant.
oh, in a bank.
So I worked for a housing agent. So a real estate agent. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, real
Mhm.
estate. Oh,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Yeah.
So, how did you change your designation from an accountant to from a teacher
Hmm.
to a teacher?
So I good question. So I was working in an office, and
Huh?
I got sick of the daily grind. Do you know that expression?
Coin,
Daily grind. Oh.
daily grind,
Hmm.
daily grind.
Hmm.
No, it's new for me.
Okay. So that means, every day you do the same sort of boring job and nothing
Oh,
changes.
I see.
Hmm.
I got it.
Oh, it's just the same.
you you wanted to, yeah, you wanted to do something different, and you like to I mean explore the world, to meet the different people, different cultures, civilizations. So that's why you change your designation. Ah, I
Exactly.
see.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You perfect. That's exactly what I done. Yeah. So yeah,
Okay, cool.
and yeah, that's so far. Yeah.
So so do you live in Spain by yourself? Means do you live with your family or separately?
No, my family is in Ireland. Well,
Mm.
just my mother. That's I have a small family. But I
Okay.
live in Spain with my husband. Yeah,
Oh, I
yeah,
see.
yeah,
Good.
yeah.
In Ireland, the capital city in Dublin, there are two my cousins who has been working there for a long time.
Wow, yeah.
So
So
yeah, so they are. Sorry.
will you visit Ireland someday?
Yeah, I'm craving to visit,
Mhm.
but as of now, my budget is not letting me go there. But in near future, I will definitely try to go.
Yeah, it is expensive. So yeah,
Yes, exactly.
yeah.
That's right.
um. So yeah. So what do they do in Dublin?
Actually, they are running a hotel,
Mm-hmm.
fast food hotel, pizza, burgers, like this stuff, fast foods. So they are well settled
Mm-hmm.
there. They have their families as well there. So they are running a big hotel.
Do you mean restaurant?
Yeah, exactly. Restaurant.
So a hotel is where you go to sleep.
Ah, I see. But in Pakistan, and this term,
Mhm.
I mean, hotel is also a place where we go to eat for food, for dinner. But it is a good terminology which you told me.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
thank you for it.
in Dublin or in America, so a hotel is just where you rent a room to sleep. So a restaurant. Uh-huh. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
In a restaurant, we go for eating for short
Mhm.
time.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Perfect. Um, so when you mentioned Saudi Arabia, when do you hope to go there?
Actually, my visa has arrived in Pakistan. I have collected my visa, but due to COVID-19, everything was freezed. So I have also stuck in Pakistan nowadays. So I think there is situation is getting better day by day.
Hmm.
So within couple of weeks, I think I will depart Pakistan.
Hmm. Okay, good. Wow, exciting. Yeah.
Yeah, it's also very exciting for
Hmm.
me
And do you?
because
No, go ahead.
yeah, actually, I have never been to any other country, neither for visiting nor for any job.
Hmm.
So it's my first journey. So I am very excited about it.
It's a big adventure. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like an
Yeah.
adventure. Yeah.
And do you speak Arabic?
I can understand little bit
Mm-hmm.
Arabic and its words, but I can't speak fluently.
But
So if I arrive there, so it will be very easy for me because Arabic language is very familiar to my national language.
Mhm.
So I think it would be very easy for me to understand Arabic language.
Also, I have a lot of Saudi Arabian students, so I
Oh,
think a lot of people speak English. So I think
oh,
between English and Arabic, you will be fine. You will be okay. Yeah.
yeah, definitely.
And
So I think
mhm.
yes, yes, yes. Carry on.
So will you are you hoping to be an English teacher in Saudi Arabia?
Well, I have idea. I have an idea to become a teacher in Saudi
Mhm.
Arabia if it would be possible. Other than it, I have also many other. I mean, ideas, plans. So I think my elder brother he has reserved a seat of accountant in Saudi Arabia in a hotel. So first, yeah, priority will be an accountant. After that, I will see.
So you are the same as me, an accountant and a and a teacher, both.
Yeah, yeah. How is beautiful coincidence?
Yeah, I know that's great. So, for today's lesson, I think you only booked 15 minutes, but you have 10 minutes left. Do you want to keep talking, or it's up to you? Hmm.
Actually, I have reserved
Yeah. Hmm.
somewhere, so I would have to
Okay.
go. I will engage for 10 minutes
Okay.
later. So it was a very good conversation with you. I am very glad to talk with
Okay,
you.
perfect. So it was so nice to meet you today. And I want to ask before you go. So Malik, um, please say your name again.
Wak- Wakas.
Bakas. Okay, perfect. So great to meet you, and I hope to see you again. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Again, bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
See
See
you.
you.
Stay,
Bye.
stay healthy.